Hey guys, the day has come to surprise Joe at SAS with his car. He has no idea that we've had his car for the last several months and the number of people that have been working on it. He thinks we are headed out to pick up a car for a new WireCare project. The last time he saw his car, it was a motorless shell sitting in storage. We are so excited to unveil it and to see his face as it starts up for the first time in 40 years. Let's go. Yo.
Come on in, guys.
What's up, fella?
How's it going?
Good. What's going on? Hey guys, this is Joe. Joe, this is Anthony.
Nice
Joe,
to meet you.
Steve.
Nice to meet you. Nice
to
meet you. How's it going?
Hey, you guys are
All
busy. You got a lot going on in here.
Yeah. We're trying to.
Exactly. So listen, we're here to pick up a car. Where do you guys have
Car's
it?
right here.
All right. Sweet.
Yep.
Awesome. This thing's like a beast.
Yeah.
Oh, what? What is this? Are you kidding me? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. This is amazing.
brother?
This is amazing. What's going on here? How did you pull this off?
Congratulations, brother.
Man.
What do you think?
Amazing. I don't even have words, man.
It is beautiful. Wow. Listen, we have between your family and everybody at WireCare, we've known about this car for quite some time.
Wow.
And we know it's been a dream of yours to, get it put together, and we wanted to make that dream a reality. So
Unbelievable, man.
we love you, bro. Love you
Right back, man. That's awesome. Thank you so much.
That's awesome.
Unbelievable.
So, yeah. Check her out, man. Look.
These guys.
How the heck? Oh my god, you guys are so stealth, man. Awesome. Awesome, man. Thank you so much.
You want to start it up, Joe?
Oh yeah. Awesome, man.
Dude, I can't wait.
Wow. Unbelievable.
Crap, that
This is
sounds
killer.
amazing. That's not all. Okay.
No way.
Yeah.
There's more?
So, our friends at TechFlex have said that they want the car in their booth at SEMA.
Oh man.
So this thing is going to SEMA, and so are you. So, but guess what? We got to get it on the trailer now to get it out of here. So we're gonna put the hood on it, and we're gonna get it in the trailer, and we're on the road.
Let's do it.
All right, brother.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Oh, this is awesome.
Congrats.
Woo.